little giveaway, you feel me? Just a cool little something, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna make sure I give back to my subscribers who support me, because you guys support me day in and day out, and I love you guys very much for doing that for me, because you do not have to watch my content, and you guys choose to watch my content, so I appreciate it. So it's time for y'all to win something. Turn on post notifications so that way you know. I mean, I'm gonna email you, make a video, but make sure you know what I'm saying? You know, make sure you check it, you being up to date on it. If you're younger, make sure you get your parent or guardian, you know, letting them know what's going on. It's time for y'all to win something. It's time for y'all to walk away with something like tangible. And I feel like we're gonna do it. It's international. So all my UK bruvs, everybody, Australia, it's international. I ain't never sent nothing out all the way out there, but we're gonna figure it out. And that's the end of the video. So make sure you like the video, and I'll be back with some more videos. So that's it. Hopefully you win, but you ain't gonna know if the post notifications ain't on. So that's up to you. Last time I'm gonna say it.